Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. You made it, guys. Holidays are fast approaching now. Santa Claus will be here shortly. So, you guys want to check this out, and we'll open it up and see what it is. And you can just click on the link down below, add it to your cart, and check it out. Oh boy. Nice. This is coming from MeshForce. Since a lot of us are working from home, homeschooling, gaming, vlogging, this is something you definitely need, guys. The MeshForce whole mesh Wi-Fi system, model M3 dot. You can get the router and then two, I forgot what they're called. Oh, here we go. Two MeshForce M3 dots. Get the power adapter and the MeshForce, which is this guy. So here's all the good stuff. It's really easy to hook up too. In case you got a lot of dead spots, or you go in your gaming area, you have down in your basement now. Perfect Wi-Fi. Because I got like a couple of them already through the house. And I just did a video not too long ago on one of these guys. On this one. So, and last year or two, I think it was, I did a white version of this one. So, but I have no problems so far with them. Like I said, I've been maybe 2 or 3 years. But great stuff. I got tons of tablets hooked up to it, devices, smart TVs, little Alexas and all that good stuff. All my cameras, my security cameras are all hooked up to this. So I'll show you on the tablet. You can use your iPhone. They got an iPhone app, My Mesh it's called, and then tablets, Androids. So, oh yes, this is a tech I like. That's what you could do with it. Home mesh, easy to expand with dots. Control the Wi-Fi as you go. And you can hook up this once you get it all set up to your computer. It works perfect. Because I got WoW internet, and I got like the biggest one they have to offer. And their Wi-Fi is not that strong. And the WoW guy was surprised at how strong this one was. So I've been using pretty much, I'll show you in a second, on my other computer, and then a straight wire, my other computer in my room, and then this one has this running on it too. So, ooh. You know, we got download, register. I'm already registered, so you just gotta send your email, all that good stuff. So these are the dots. Now you gotta do is scan the barcode. Once you add it, I'll show you in the app. MeshForce. Really nice, though. I mean, you will never have a dead spot in your home again. You could do it in your backyard. I don't think these are outdoors, though, but you could put it close to your, unless you got an outdoor patio and stuff like that. So, these are always great to have, though. Nice jet black, gunmetal black, and then here's the main one. Probably gonna hook this up to the PS, to the PlayStation, or the Xbox, or just put this one in my room. So. Oh yeah, this is nice. I'll show you the white one too in a second. We got the LAN, reset. This is the one you need for internet. Oh, look at that. She's a beauty. All I gotta do is scan the QR code. I'll show you guys. It's really easy. Where is the Ethernet. We got these guys. The power supply. Okay. But yeah, this is going to be like a temporary setup. Once I figure out where I'm going to shove these, be good to go. I'll probably post it on my Instagram, but I'll walk you guys through the whole sign up process and all that good stuff. Well, it's really easy. I mean, if I could do it, you guys could do it. So, I mean, simple stuff. But yeah, definitely, this is a good one to get, especially now. Like I said, everybody is online, either vlogging, twitching, Instagramming, Facebook Live, and all that good stuff. Great for all your Disney apps streaming, Netflix, and all that. So it's pretty powerful stuff right here, guys. Plug it in. Oh, dang. There we go. Plugged in. Hop over to. Alright, guys, here it is. It's plugged in, and she is rocking. So I got this in my bedroom. I'm setting up the main mesh right now in the computer room, so we're going to hop over there. And then once I hook that up, I'm going to put it into my other spare bedroom where I have a computer and have that hooked up to the mesh instead of using Wi-Fi. I'll show you, because you can use both, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So, but these are just straight up Wi-Fi. So, but it's zooming. We are rocking and rolling now. Thank you, my MeshForce. Definitely check these guys out. We're going to hop over again to the computer room. Alright, guys, we are back. We got this one plugged in, and the green light is blinking. She is ready to get zapped. I just got to reset my iPhone, but there's the iPhone app, my Mesh, either or, and an Android tablet. That works too. I'm going to put the password on and show you guys. Alright, guys, here it is. Oh, kind of crooked. Hold on 1 second. Oh, flipper. I got like 52 devices connected. I'm going to start moving some around to that one so I could try to get it even up. And once I zap her, like I said, barcode, easy. All you got to do is says, put you guys down. Right. Go to your profile. Nope. Settings and mesh point. Click on that. I'm going to tell you step by step. Power on the mesh. And like I said, we're going to hop this one into the other room. And we're going to hook this up to it instead of Wi-Fi. So, but watch and learn. Here is the old school one. Or they still got the same model. But it's a white version of it. Works amazing. Like I said, I got tons of cameras. This is another camera. Like 52 devices hooked up to it. So, pretty powerful stuff though. And there's my wow internet. There we go. Okay, so we go click and allow, and it says scan the QR code, which is right there. Do that in a sec. So hopefully you guys can see from this side. You guys don't fall over. I'll look at you guys sideways for a second. So you take your tablet or your Android, put it over the QR code. Oh man, everything's falling. There we go. It's gonna show connecting. I think I got like 3 or 4 tablets, Xbox, PS4 hooked up to it, a bunch of others. And I got the net mesh downstairs also that I have hooked up to my computer through the Ethernet cable instead of the Wi-Fi. So you could do that too on these units. But yeah, it's really fast once you hook it up to your Wi-Fi and it zooms. So it takes a few seconds to just like register it, but it's well worth the wait. So we'll pause you guys right about now. Look at that. Look at there. It added good. Okay. There we go. There's that one. Excellent. Status is online. So like I said, once you figure out where you want to stick it, allow, and now she is rocking. So you got one in my bedroom already linked on. So look at that, looks like a hex type thing. 6 point. So really cool stuff. And I still got that small one on the table to hook up. But look at that, she is zooming. Definitely ain't gonna have no lag or anything. Especially now, like I said, I work from home with all the Zoom. You can have your Zoom classes and all that stuff. Online gaming is perfect for it. Like I said, 51 devices. She is zooming. That's really cool how it's looking like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna hook this one up.